Hello friends, welcome you all to the Pearl of Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. Ayubowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum, hello. Today we are going to present you how to make traditional sweet. We have many varieties of sweets, especially in village life. The village people make many variety of sweets. We have very main item. It's Kevum. Every Sri Lankans, every Hindus, every Sinhalese knows about Kevum. It doesn't matter the age, younger or elder. Everybody likes to eat Kevum. We have many special items every year. National festive season, some Daname programs, some alms giving programs, some donations, some treats, special events, hospitality, especially the hospitality. We are making Kevum. So today we are going to present how to make Kevum in a village type. We have very known place, it's in village home. And we have very known lady who has having vast experience to making sweets. She will help us to show you the making method of Kevum. So stay with us always and stay with us especially till end the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. For notification, press the bell icon and comment as well. So let's move. We'll see. Let's go and see how to make this. We came to Vinita Akka's home, that's a village home. She will help us to show you how to make Kevum. Actually it's we call from English oil cake. So we are here, the Vinita Akka's home. She's helping for this whole method. Vinitakke, Ayubowan. අපි මේ කියපු කැවුම් ටික හදා ගන්න ආවේ. පුළුවන් නේ කරගන්න. අපිට කියනකො අක්කේ මුලින්ම මේ පන්සියක් ගන්නවා. සාමාන්‍ය ටිකකට මේකින් ඔෆ් කොහොමද අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ කියලා. We need rice, අවශ්‍ය බඩු ටික white flour, sugar, cardamom, coconut oil, panel seeds, it's called maduru, salt and little sugar. So we'll see one by one when it's using. First step, we are going to start this white roe into water. We are putting water to the white roe for melting the white rice. Clean the rice. So we will put white rice into water. This will keep one and a half hours to melting the rice. Now after one and a half hours, the rice into the water, that's already seasoned the rice. So we are removing the rice water from the rice to the mortar. We are going to grind the wet rice by using mortar. This is mortar from, actually it's from granite, and this is pestle. This made either kitul or coconut wood. So this is very heavy and very strong. So we are using mortar and pestle to grind the rice. Aki api damuda මේක. This is the traditional way of grinding the rice. No technology, no in new era. This is the ancient method of grinding rice. See, changing hand by hand with a very. So it's grinding now. The white rice is becoming white rice flour here. So here wet white rice now almost become wet white flour, white rice flour. It's almost finished now. Wet white rice become wet white rice flour. Now we need shift the rice flour by using sieve. This is sieve. So we are going to shift the rice flour. This is method. We are getting the clean white rice flour. We use the same method from ancient times to get the clean whatever the flours, whatever the seed flours. Now in here for kevum making we are getting white rice flour. Here this is clean wet white rice flour. We already shift the rice flour. This is very clean. Now we are going to make the sugar honey. It's all in all method, all system. Sugar honey needs to make the kevum butter better. Just frying pan and sugar only to make the sugar honey. We add little water, adding little water. Okay. Now sugar become sugar honey. We need this for to make the kevum better well and kevum better taste. This will affect its sweet. So we need to take out from the fire and keep some time to cool the sugar honey. So we are going to make the batter now. Here the grinded shifted white raw rice and sugar, plain flour, white flour and sugar honey, water and some vanilla to make the taste and some fennel seeds. So we are going to mixing all to make the batter. අවශ්‍ය ප්‍රමාණයට දාගන්න ගන්නට. පොඩ්ඩක් දාන්න හරි පොඩ්ඩක් පේන්න. හරි. චෝදි මම. Here the batter is making. This must be seasoning well. The people who having the vast experience, they know, they feel to the hand the batter is coming. Once make the batter well, once making the finish the batter well, this paste need to keep around 2 hours before make the kevum. We need to keep around 2 hours for seasoning the batter before going to make the sweet. Now we have still pending the finish, the final item, I mean to using the batter to make the sweet. Now we are in the final step to making the kevum, actually oil cake, using frying pan and coconut oil, and the batter now after 2 hours it's here. Now batter it's okay. This is the thickness exactly required the batter to make kevum. This is pouring. First we are pouring the little big step from the batter and regularly putting very small pieces like dots coming, that for the top to make the kevum well in a good design. See how they are making it. The batter is pouring to the hot oil. Now they are using the stick in the one hand and oil spoon in other hand. Just see how using the hot oil to make the nice kevum. Normally kevum should be in golden brown. It's coming very nicely, it's making very nicely. This is the experience they have to make the nice looking oil cake. Actually it's kevum. It's already done. So one already going to finish. How it's finished? The using both hands, one hand by spoon, the oil spoon actually, other hand on stick. Once the kevum finish, it should be shown on, it looks like the golden brown color. We made few oil cakes, few kevum. It's all in golden brown color. This is very fresh. Still Vinitaka is making. So I am going to taste one now. Wow, very fresh. Taste, sweet, and now it's made. No, it's very fresh. Feel so happy. Thank you, Vinitaka. Gomstudi. This kevum made for us. So, friends, we presented you how to make kevum online. It's actual fresh. So, stay with us always. Subscribe our channel. For notification, press the bell icon and comment as well. Whatever if you require, if any comments, if anything need to know about this, just comment. So, from next episode, we are going to present you another whatever valuable item for you. So until that, with golden brown kevum. Thank you very much to keep in touch with us. Thank you.